Also, if you're traveling this week, you'll want to look at the forecast because depending on where you are, man, you might be in shorts and a t-shirt, huh, Pat?
Yeah, and I think basically if you're staying here, that's going to be the case. Everywhere else, though, should be a little bit cooler. Let's see if you're traveling anywhere else tonight. Again, Bush and Hobby, fine. Most other airports are doing okay with the exception of JFK up in New York, over an hour delay up there. But Newark and LaGuardia are both fine. Denver, Minneapolis, Chicago, everybody else doing okay this evening. But again, this is just the tip of the iceberg, a long stretch of travel coming up as we get into the upcoming week. Few clouds out there right now. We are really warm, 76 degrees, dew points in the mid 60s. It does not feel like Christmas week. In fact, everybody pretty much in the 70s right now. 74 at Hobby, 73 for Wharton and Tomball, 70 in Conroe. Only two spots that are in the 60s are Galveston and Cleveland, both in the upper 60s. But when you compare it to this time yesterday, we are 15 to 20 degrees warmer. So it is a noticeable change for us here across Southeast Texas. The warmth and humidity will lend itself to more fog, so that comes back into the picture for tonight. We stay very warm getting into the upcoming week. Good news, though, travel conditions look quiet, at least around the state. We'll talk about the rest of the country here in just a second. For today, though, we tied a record high temperature. We actually made it to 81 degrees this afternoon. That ties a long-standing record over a 100-year-old record going back to 1921. We've got more warmth on the way the next few days, and I could see how maybe we challenge a couple more records. The forecast tomorrow, 80. The standing record is 82. The forecast for Monday is 78. The forecast for Tuesday, 79. Both days the record is 81, but again, we could actually get there if we get enough sunshine, the right combination of conditions. So some really hot temperatures by December standards coming up for us. Pretty quiet though on radar. Excuse me, nothing to talk about here across the state. We're going to stay quiet as we go through the overnight, but it is warm and muggy with dense fog developing. A front will try to approach us on Sunday, so we will be mainly cloudy with a stray shower chance. It will be cooler as you go north and west. Everyone else, though, will be stuck around 80, and we'll keep that shower chance in play again for Monday with warm conditions. Watch the future track here. Upper 60s for Columbus and Huntsville tomorrow morning. We're in the low 70s. By the afternoon, Columbus actually drops a few degrees to the mid 60s, mid 70s for Huntsville, and then low 80s for the city. So a pretty sharp divide here in the temperatures tomorrow afternoon. Excuse me. Getting into Monday morning, though, that warmth will really start to surge back in. We don't really see the numbers drop here in Houston. Again, that'll come with shower chances. Tomorrow morning, couple showers out there, mainly cloudy skies. We'll do that again as we get into the afternoon. That's Sunday. Then for Monday, we'll start with clouds, fog, again, maybe a couple of showers. I think as the day goes on Monday, we'll get a few more breaks of sunshine, but still kind of a gloomy and murky day for us across the area. Traveling anywhere tomorrow, the weather looks good on the East Coast. No problems from New York down towards Florida. Across the middle part of the country, we'll just see more clouds here. Notice the difference, though. Dallas in the upper 50s, we're at 80 degrees. Cold up towards the Twin Cities and Chicago. And then big travel issues possible from San Francisco up through the Pacific Northwest as another storm system moves onshore out there. So that'll be our travel trouble spot for tomorrow. Getting into Monday, could see some issues in the Great Lakes with some snow. That could move into the Northeast then for Tuesday. Otherwise, though, it's a pretty quiet picture here as we get into the few days leading up to Christmas. 81 in the books today. We started at 47, so a huge jump in the numbers from this morning to this afternoon. Forgive me, I'm battling something right now. As we get into Christmas week, though, that warmth really starts to take over. That stays with us for Christmas Day. High temperatures for Christmas, still at 80 degrees with a mix of sunshine and clouds. The good news, though, we do stay dry. No rain to worry about for Christmas Day. Still, though, not feeling like Christmas. Okay, overnight, 68 Brenham, 70 in the city. Same for Angleton, 69 for Livingston, 72 in Bay City. Tomorrow, watch, the numbers north and west are much cooler. They don't even move. So you get the cold front, Navasota, Brenham, Columbus, Huntsville as well. The farther south you are from the city down to the coast, though, we're going to be near 80 for a good part of the day. It's the first day of winter tomorrow also, by the way, in name only. It won't feel like it. 78 with a shower chance for Monday. Tuesday looks good. Christmas Eve looks good. Mix of sun and clouds, 79. Christmas Day looks good. Mix of sun and clouds, again, high temperatures around 80. And we stay warm all the way through next weekend. Cheryl.
All right. Thank you, Pat.